Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. Let's start with opening the keyboard, for example in the messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and I'm not sure what I did. Alright, so just tap on here, and basically we've got the keyboard. All we have to do right now is to tap on this settings icon. If you cannot find it here, no worries. 3 dots icon, tap on got it, and the settings should appear somewhere here. If you want to, you can just tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this panel to have much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings and tap on the languages at the top. As you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. Of course, you can tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language, or just scroll like I did. Let's tap on the language after finding, tap on the region, and as you can see here, we've got the keyboard types from which we can choose, and basically the amount of them depends on the language. Sometimes you will have only one keyboard layout to choose from, or even up to 7 or even 10 different layouts. If you want to apply the layout, just mark it and untick the previous option, or leave 2. You can of course apply 2 or 3 of them. So let's tap on done. And as you can see, the Urdu language has been immediately applied to this list. So we can go back to the keyboard and check. Of course, if you want to have only one language, the chosen one, you can remove the language in this step. So here, all you have to do is to tap on this edit icon, mark the language you'd like to delete, and tap on the trash bin icon. I will do it, but before, I'd like to show you how to behave and actually how to use the keyboard layouts, and how to move between them to actually use 2 different languages whilst typing. So after getting back to the keyboard, you can see one difference, at least for now, the globe icon, which is a language key. Instead of this, I believe, emoji or something, we had another key here. But right now we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to change the layout. So after tapping on it, we can see that I've got the Urdu one right now. Tap on it again, we've got English, and again Urdu, of course. Our device will smoothly change the layouts. Right now also we can see another difference, which is the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, so English, Urdu, and again English. So that was how to use actually 2 or more layouts, and now let me remove it, so the thing I've just explained to you. Let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and in this list, tap on this edit icon, mark the language you want to remove. In my case it will be Urdu, because I have no idea how to use it, so I have to remove it, and then tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left, and after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we do not have the globe icon. So as you can see, there was no additional key. And the spacebar is empty, which means that we just successfully removed the layout and we've got only one applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.